It was just like a 10mm back here. But in the front, the one you took off right there on the fender, that one was a what?
Oh, I don't know what.
That was like a
It was
clip
that one
on.
I put on there.
Like a clip.
It was it was this one.
Oh yeah, one of those.
It is got one so far. It's a screw, or I don't know if it's a 10, but you could use a screwdriver.
Oh. It looks pretty crazy with the side skirts off, huh?
Yeah. Oh shit.
Oh yeah, they look cool. From like over here.
It's gotta be the same one.
Look up here. And this one goes, it has a swoop right here. This one's more like, it doesn't have nothing. Got the sides on. There.
So those skirts are from a G37?
They're still here?
There. Those one you can't really see. There. Since it does, it kind of matches with the colorway, I guess.
I feel like it needs more black over here though, or something.
Carbon wing, a carbon ducktail.
Oh yes. Don't forget your freaking bumper.
The whole shape of it looks different in the sunlight.
I have to see it. It looks cool, but I have to see the other one to remember how it looks. But yeah, I mean, it looks good.
Little damage right there. I'm thinking about either respraying it a different color, the whole hood, or maybe sending it somewhere so they could take off the clear and just put a new clear. It's all the clear that's coming off. It's not the actual carbon fiber yet. It's just the top clear coat. A little damage. Here's that one, and compared to this one, so it's a lot more fresh and darker. Oh, here's the new side skirts that I slapped on too. See, I only have half of the car done right now. These are the IPL style ones. I haven't seen anybody on YouTube with them yet. They're sort of supposed to look like the. Let's see. They stick out a little bit. I love them. They're supposed to look like the IPL side skirts off of G37, but they actually made these for to fit a G35. They're kind of like a fiberglass material. That's the only downside to these right here. But yeah, it's like a Duraflex material. So it's not too flexible. If you hit anything, it will probably crack. That's one thing with these. But I do love how it kind of flows with the fender. Kind of just goes there, and it like just goes all along the side, and it really does give it a whole new profile. Like it looks a lot more modern. And then I also like how it sticks out a little bit like a lid. Just a tiny bit, you could tell. It sticks out. It's like pokes a bit. Really nice. I think it goes good with these carpenters. You can tell a lot more from like far away, the scoop. little swoop. I was even debating on, I don't know, they're looking at my car over there or something. But yeah, I was debating on keeping it black. I think that'll look pretty crazy, but we'll see. New paint coming soon, so. I also got a new rear bumper that I'll be slapping on later. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Give you guys a little POV. It's my puppy right here. Oh, the nice AC. Olive. Names. His name's Olive. Or Oliver. Let us go for a ride. Got a little backup camera right there. This thing is falling off. I got a new one already. That stupid pillar, the clip broke. Man walking backwards.